everybody, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. My name is Jazmine, aka Budget Treasures, and what do I always tell you? If you are new, welcome. Well, you probably never heard me say that before if you're new, but anyway, welcome if you're new. If you are returning, welcome back, sis. First, let me tell you guys, I'm so sorry. I know that I promised you guys on the last video, I was like, oh, I'm gonna try to do better. Listen, sis, it has not, you know, I got to give you guys an update in throughout the video, so I will give you an update. But before we get started, today in this video we are going to be completing my paycheck to paycheck budget. I did not get a chance to complete my monthly budget, but that's totally okay. We're just gonna move forward with my paycheck to paycheck budget, and then we're finally going to do my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Sorry it took so long, but I'm super excited. The item that I'm going to be giving away finally came in. So let's go ahead and get into all of this goodness. So what am I going to be giving away today? I am going to be giving away a TypeAforAlexa budget binder. So this came in, I did open it already because I was just really anxious to see what it looked like. I've never gotten anything from TypeAforAlexa before, so I was really anxious to see all of the goodness that came in this box. But let's jump right on into it. So there was a couple of months ago, or a few months ago, where she put out a budget binder that she had created, and I'm going to show you all. You guys probably have seen it, and maybe you haven't. But this is what we're going to be giving away. So in here comes a TypeAforAlexa, kind of like a thank you card, you know, thank you for your order. And then it comes with all this, says that she has custom planners, dividers, and cash envelopes, well, in here. And then it tells you how to connect with her. So if you don't know, now you know. All right. So then I really love her tissue paper, as it has TypeAforAlexa, her brand name on her tissue paper. I would like to have that one day for my tissue paper. I will actually. So let's start with the binder. So I'm going to put this over to the side, and it comes in a packet, just some you know, clear packaging here. And I had chose the More Money, More Problems binder because simply I just love the color pink, and so that's why I chose this. But it's done with the vinyl. I think this is probably permanent vinyl on top of here. And let's go ahead and open it. So it's really cute, guys. It comes with, I think, 6 envelopes here. Now these envelopes are made with some type of plastic. Well, not plastic, I don't really even know what this is, honestly. Maybe it is some type of laminating sheets, I don't know, but it's not anything that I've ever seen before. So I'm not sure if you can really see on camera kind of like the type of material this is. But it is pink, and it's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a total of 5 envelopes. So let's go ahead and put some money in here. I'm just gonna grab a bill up out of my thingy here, and that noise is so annoying, so that's why I had to apologize to you guys. So you just put your money in here, and it's so cool. It just goes through like that, and you flip it over. So here are the actual categories that you can just peel off, and then you can put it on the tab there. So eating out, clothes, groceries, beauty, miscellaneous, family, home, yada yada yada. Let me take my money out there because that's not a part of the giveaway. So you have a total of, what did I say, 5? 1, 2, 3, a total of 5 envelopes here. Hope I can count, yes. And then there is a kind of like a emergency fund type envelope here. I'm not really sure what you would do with this, but you can do whatever you want to do with it because it'll be yours if you are the lucky winner. And then here I really like this part. where, oops, sorry guys, where you can put some cards. This says financial planning, and then just has a money symbol here and emergency use. So if you have any cards that you want to kind of throw in there, you definitely can. Let's see what else. We have a coupons little holder here, so once you're out shopping and you want to throw your coupons in there, you can. And then the last is the receipts, which I really love this pouch right here. In this pouch you can put your receipts, so you kind of have them all in one area. Like, don't be like me, I put my receipts in my actual envelope, and so I actually need something that just holds receipts. So that is that's all a part of the binder. And then it also has some just clear stickers that you'd be able to put wherever you want to put those stickers. And also what is included in here that I thought was really cool is actually the budget notebook. So this says that it is a collaboration with Lights Planner Action. Not really sure who that is. Sorry if I should know and I don't know. You know, I'm just trying to budget my money. I'm not trying to know who's the who. So this has budget on it, and then it just comes with some dot grid paper. And then here on the back it shows your budget overview. So if you budget very simply and, you know, something like this is what you can, well, this is included in there. The first page is expenses. The second page is sinking funds, which I love me some sinking. And then another dot grid on the back of there. And then this, I guess this is like for daily expenses. And then it has expenses, a couple more expenses sheets, and a lot of expensive sheets. So this is definitely for the person who spends a lot. And then that is it. And then on the back it just kind of has like the back of that composition notebook, how it would look. So if you would like to win this budget binder, it was not a free gift. I did purchase this from her when she was selling them. So if you would like this, you can enter into the giveaway by clicking on the link down in my description box. So I have interrupted the video because I've had a change of heart. I have switched up the way that you are able to enter into the giveaway. So before, you were going to have to access a link and you were going to have to find 4 keywords. It was just way too complicated for my life right now. As you guys know, I'm moving and I ain't got time for all of that. So this is how you enter into the giveaway. Make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. Make sure that you like this video. And then also, I just want you to leave a comment in the comment section. You can tell me some of the things that you love about budgeting, some of your goals. You know, I love the goals. If you're looking to buy a house like me, if you're looking to save money, if you're looking to pay off debt, even this particular video that I'm filming right now is probably crazy. So if you're looking to have a better YouTube channel, you know, definitely better than mine's. I don't know, but I've switched it up because it was just way too complicated and ain't nobody got time for all of that. So make sure that you enter into the giveaway, and I wish everyone the very best of luck to win this planner. Thank you so much. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and then also click the notification bell so that you know another time, or when I upload a video. I gotta finish packing, y'all. I'll talk to you later. Peace.